Sunshine does like this. She's wanted this for so long. Just clean my face, Blue. I just want you to clean my face. Make it pretty. But Blue won't do it. But he will.
And I'm wondering whether in this case the homeless person was just startled by someone who was trying to help him and then reacted in a violent way. But it just speaks to the unpredictability about the homeless on the streets.
Well, one of the challenges that we're having in New York City is there's just so many homeless people that are now living on the streets. And most of these folks that are living on the streets are mentally ill. So it's a very, very good chance that that person didn't really know what was going on. Maybe even thought that they were going to be attacked or something. And that's a big possibility. And so, unfortunately, the city has like a lot of other things, has abandoned the homeless people.
Look, you still needed to clean your face after he did that. See?
Back on the street again. What they should be doing is taking the person off the street and getting them help and getting them rehabilitated, not leaving them on the street like they're going to commit another crime.
Hey, Blue. Hi, Blue. Hi, Miss Blue. Oh, gosh. That's what they do all day. Sunshine. You can't get enough of him, huh? He can't get enough of you. What are you going to do with that? Oh, boy.